Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to create budgets with line items broken down and how we can assign vendors and subcontractors their own budgets and input their own data in payment applications. So let's start by adding a new budget. Now we go into the budget and we see here in empty budget there are a few ways we can add line items. We can add them manually, we can add categories manually, or we can upload it from Excel. So I've already made the Excel, so let's just upload it quickly from here. And here we go. As you see, we've been able to upload the budget from Excel with the categories and all the line items. The next thing we're going to do is look to break down line item number 14, AEC. Now the way to do it is to link another budget to this line item with the broken down items. So let's see how this goes. Let's go back to the main budget and we'll create a new budget called AEC. Same as before, this budget is empty, so let's start adding items. I'll do this one manually. We'll put in the cost code, the amount, this is going to be a soft cost, and we'll add this line item. Now I'll pause it and populate this quickly. Okay, as we see, I've now populated this AEC budget, and the next thing we're going to do is assign a vendor to this. We can assign it by group, or I can assign it individually, and I'll go ahead and do that. The next step is we're going to link this AEC budget to the line item AEC in this budget. So let's go into this line item. Let's manage the linked budgets. Here we have the available budgets in the project. And there we go. If you scroll down, you'll now see the item breakdown with the cost codes and the price for each broken down line item. Let's go ahead and see how it looks in the main budget. As you see here, we have AEC and that's broken down. Now let's go ahead and finalize these two budgets and see how it works with payment applications. So to finalize a budget, we'll go into a budget, we'll finalize this one. And as you see here, you can also now run some reports on finalized budgets. And we'll go into AEC and we'll finalize this budget as well. And we're ready to start using payment applications. Payment applications are found on the left-hand menu under Accounting and Payment Applications. In this page, you'll see all the finalized budgets and the ones available to use for this module. The first thing we'll do is check out this application number 1. As you see here, we have all the line items and the AEC line item. Now, before we edit anything in this payment application, let's go to the AEC payment application and check out this. Here we see all the line items for this budget. Now what I'm going to do next is I will log out and log in as the vendor, input my data as the vendor for this budget, and then we'll log back in and merge the data to the main budget. Now I'm logged in with another email, and as you see, the left-hand menu is a little different because it's restricted to only the modules available to me. And here I only see my budget, or the one assigned to me. I'll go into this payment application. I want to link it to the other payment application here, so I'll save that. And I will start drawing from the line items. So let's call this 100. And here let's draw. So now I've updated this payment application. Let's take a look. The current draw is 100% from the first line item, just about 50% from the second line item, and we have the payment due and everything. So as a vendor, I'm now ready to request my payment. So let's log back in as the project manager and see how we merge the data. As we see here, I'm back in as the other user, and I have both budgets available. So I'll go into the main budget, to the payment application, and now we see something different. We see AEC with the payment application below it. So I can view right away this payment application and what they're drawing from, as we see. And right now it's at 0, but that's because we haven't merged all the data. So if I go ahead and merge link data, and I'll scroll down to AEC, the amounts now adjust per the vendor's request, and I can view the payment application without the breakdowns, and we can view the payment application with the breakdowns, and this is how it would look. And the current payment due, that's less retainer, and that's about it. So this is really implementing the payment application with vendors on a small scale. You can take it to as large of a scale as you want, linking as many line items as possible. And one of the neat features here is you can always copy a budget and then paste it over to a new project, and all the links and all the line items and all the breakdowns get passed over. The only thing left is to adjust any of the numbers if that's relevant, and to add to add any new vendors to the relevant budgets. In another video, I'll be showing you how to now work with change orders with these budgets. So I hope you found this video helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.